Hello, I'm Mr. Paul. Today I'm going to be cooking chicken chow mein. So for my chicken chow mein, I'm going to be using certain ingredients. I'm going to be using organic oil, extra virgin. I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper, paprika, soya sauce, Lea & Perrins Worcester sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, Celtic sea salt, Chinese 5-spice, and I'm going to be using Imam chow mein, which I think is really delicious chow mein. I've got the chicken already cut in pieces. I've grinded 1 onion and 5 pegs of garlic, and I've got some tomato paste. To cook the chow mein, I'm going to use a chicken stock that I created from my last video, fried chicken. You can let this boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. That's according to the instructions on the back of the pack. And now the chow mein is boiling, so I'm going to start preparing the chicken. I'm going to use the oil first. I'm going to put the onion and garlic grind. So 1 teaspoon of salt. Black pepper. I'm going to use some 5 spices. Sesame oil. Lea & Perrins sauce. Soy sauce, just a little drop. Paprika. And some cayenne pepper. Give it a good stir. Now I'm going to put the chicken in. Rosemary. Put some thyme. And 1 stock cube. I usually use chicken stock cube. I let this cook for 10 minutes. And also I've got some Asian mixed vegetables. Just give it a good stir. Cover it for about 10 minutes. So now the chicken and the vegetable is cooked, I'm going to throw the chow mein in. So now the chow mein is in and I've stirred it. I'm going to leave that for like 5-6 minutes, let it dry down. So now the chow mein is finished, so I'm going to try some. It's absolutely delicious. You have to try my recipe to taste it. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.